So today's video, I decided I'd do something a little bit different, doing an improvement here at home. I've had this electric guitar for a few years, and I've not really played it as much as I like. The bridge pickup in it, I've just never really cared for the sound that it outputs, especially when you play with high gain settings. It just has always sounded kind of muddy, just not how I would like it. So I've had an old EMGhz pickup, which is more for rock or high gain settings. It excels at that, and I decided I would put it in the guitar. I've been meaning to for a while and just put it off. So today I'm going to take you along with me, and we're going to install that and see if it can improve the sound of this guitar. So the first thing I've got to do is loosen the strings. We're going to do that. So loosen the strings, then I take the back plate off so I can get a good view of the wiring. Now I want to take a picture in case there's any question about what was hooked up where. I've got a good reference point that I can go back to. Now let's get the soldering iron out. Now I want to inspect everything I've done, make sure all the connections are actually good and tight. Got everything hooked up, so let me screw the back plate on here and turn this on, and we'll see if it's working. Alright, looks like we got sound, so that's a good thing. So let me test it out just a little bit here. So going to be a nice little improvement. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Thanks for watching.